Good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, depend of the time you are over there. This message go for those people based in diaspora. You will be say you dey Europe every time you dey insult people wey be say e dey Nigeria. You dey look them like say dem be nobody. This message na for you. If you go on net, you go internet, you dey see different people dey cause dey insult people wey dey Nigeria. I say dey insult people wey dey Nigeria. You see and dem go dey video dey say see as see snow dey fall now, I dey inside, I dey go work. See snow dey fall now, I dey inside, I dey go work. This message na for you. This is 2022. This message is for you. You no work for snow, where you wan for work? Rain go dey fall, you go show am see as rain dey fall na I dey inside, I dey go work. You no work for rain, you no work for sun, where you wan for work? No matter the condition of Europe, e no fit reach as Africa condition be. Most people wey dey talk all those things, most people, those are the people wey be say e don tey wey dey comot for house. Maybe the time wey dey take comot for house, cup of rice never reach anything. I will come for that one. Price of Nigeria, price of food stuff in Nigeria, I'll come for that one very soon. Una stop. Person ask you money, you no get, tell am say you no get. No be the one you dey lay cause of them. Person ask you money, you no wan give am, tell am say you no go give am. No be the one you dey say you dey inside snow. You no give person, you wey dey Europe, you no fit give person money. You no fit give person money for Africa. Na when you come dey Africa, na you come fit give person money. People wey dey use that, say dey carry fry pan dey do legbuke, dey still dey give money. Farmers dey still give money. Hunters still give money. Keke napep rider still give money. You wey dey Europe, you go come dey lay cost of them for you for money wey you wan give them. You no wan give them, tell them say you no wan give them. No be say I dey inside snow now, I dey find money, I dey go work now. Who go ask me money? God go punish am. Nowhere dey easy. You suppose to dey happy say dem dey ask you money, because the Bible say giver shall never lack. The Bible say I will make you to be the head, not the tail. You will be above and not to be borrowed. But why now be say person go ask you money now, then you go come dey insult them? No, this message is for you. Abeg, person ask you money, no dey insult am. One of my guy, e dey like that. He spent 18 years for Europe. If anybody ask am money for Nigeria, he go say no, he no get anything common with those people who live Nigeria. They go say okay, buy land, make he start to dey build house. He go say no. He comot for Italy, he get 2 years. He go Spain, the document die for him hand. He maneuver, he enter Germany. From Germany, he start to dey work. He spent 8 years for Germany. Altogether 18 years wey he spend for Europe. At the end, dem deport this person go house. He come even dey call me. He dey Lagos, he wan go do legbuke. Nobody even allow am do legbuke. No space to do legbuke. Now I ask the guy, when person wan allow you do legbuke, how many people work for your site? When he dey Europe, he get money for 18 years. He go say no. If you call am for, if you ask for people wey dey, say this your friend, you don hear, like you say those one dey Africa that side, na those one are there, those one dey that side. If you are in Africa, you behave as Africa. If you are Europe, you behave as so. But later, like come dey suffer. Those people wey come dey neglect, say how far, now those one come even dey carry, how even go put am for house, come dey stay. So you see the life. If you are based in Europe, don't think maybe that is the end. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. People wey dey house, don neglect them. Tomorrow those people can be your helper. If you no dey, let them know say you no dey. Or if you no wan help them, let them know say you no wan help them. No be the one you dey insult them, dey lay curse on them, because they are human being like you. Even you, banker wey we know say na bank, how much dey receive for a month? 45,000, 50,000. How much for a bag of rice? You wey dey Europe, if person ask you say na no be banking for the work, or e dey work normal, but not dey lay cost of them. This message is for you. Wanyo. Easy. I'll give una the price of of rice, because those people they don tell dem comot for house. The price of food stuff in Nigeria very soon I will let una know the price of Nigeria, the way e be say even though the person dey receive 100,000 naira for a month, whether e go reach am take do anything, school fees never dey there. I dey come for that one.